Welcome back to Mr. Chan's Math Class. Yeah! Alright, today I want to start with quadratics. Okay? Every time you hear quadratics, you know you are in year 9. Year 9, okay? In year 7 and year 8, we learned this thing called linear equations. Linear equations. Y is 2x plus 3, for example. Okay? Today, we're going to link the linear to quadratic. Okay? Today is our first introductory lesson. So let's get down to the basics first before we get into the numbers. When we look at a linear equation, y is 2x plus 3, we know that the 2 represents the gradient, the slope, how the slope looks like, how steep it is, alright? This plus 3 represents the y-intercept. That's where the line cuts the y-axis, okay? So, if we look at a quadratic equation, quadratic simply means the power of x is 2. Make that comparison. The linear is x to the power 1. Quadratic is nothing but x to the power 2, okay? What does a quadratic look like? It looks like a parabola. What is a parabola? Well, it looks like a smiley face or a sad face. A smiley face or a sad face. That's all, okay? Don't freak out when you hear the word quadratic. It's basically a smiling face or a sad face. Let's make the connection between linear and quadratic. The number in front of x is the gradient. Similarly, the number in front of x to the power 2 also represents the gradient of the parabola, okay? The bigger the number, steeper the parabola, right? If you look at 2, it might look like this. If it's half, you'll be more flatter, okay? Just like the linear equation. Now, let's look at this plus 4 here. If you make these two connections, for linear equation, the plus 3 is the y-intercept. Same thing happens in the quadratic equation. This plus 4 also represents the y-intercept, where the parabola cuts the y-axis. Alright, more detail to come in the next video. See you soon. Yeah!